So let's just talk about how bad this thing feels before we hopefully go get it fixed.
8 hours later.
The Jeep is back, baby, and hopefully it's fixed. I mean, we're gonna see, but according to these papers, it's fixed. So that could be good things. That could be really, look, they even vacuumed it. Oh man, this is some top-notch service, baby. Now, hopefully it's fixed. They said that it's good. I'll show you guys some numbers here in just a second. That they actually did a little speed test thing. That I'll talk about it. Pretty interesting, and hopefully it's pretty accurate and true because, yeah, it seems pretty helpful. So we're gonna go ahead and test it, and I'll update you guys. You know, let's just warp on over there, and just a second, literally. 1 second. Now, boys, the issue is not fixed. I'm gonna be completely honest, it is not completely fixed. Now, I wish that it was, but it is not completely fixed. Now, I thought it was completely fixed, but it's not. And, you know, like I said earlier, you know, it might be something that we could possibly fix ourselves. So, for the most part, though, the vibration is gone. I'll show you guys the paperwork. Like I said, it's crazy. The amount that it actually tracked, if it's true, I don't know if it's true, but you guys know the exhaust, the Borla attack exhaust here on the Jeep SRT has been a little bit, it was used when I got it, so it's got a little quirks. Like this one doesn't stick out quite as far as this one does, and that one moves, and you know, there's been issues with the exhaust, so I'm thinking there might be some sort of exhaust leak kind of issue going on that could be potentially causing the additional vibration that I feel in the pedal and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna look into fixing that one here shortly. But let's talk about the process of balancing these wheels and tires and getting them rotated, because it did make a difference. And I think the numbers kind of show it, but let me just show you guys what they did, and maybe you guys will know if this is even a real thing. It might have been just something that they made up, I don't know. But yeah, let's just hop on the tripod and talk about it. So we got our handy little notebook here that we're gonna go ahead and look into and see what what we're working with. We got all of our paperwork. You know, sometimes you end up with a little paperwork, sometimes you end up with a lot of paperwork. This time I'm super fortunate to have all this paperwork, and I think you guys are too, because I think this is going to be a little bit of maybe something you can find near you that will help you out and make things a little bit more interesting. So the total price for what I paid was $102.46. Not too bad to road force balance every single thing with the Hunter road force machine. I think that's what it is, Hunter, I don't know, that really good brand where they have the road force balancing stuff. Yeah, they went ahead and did that. So the breakdown on what we had done was nothing crazy. It started out with the client concerns of
the customers having a vibration around 70 to 73 miles per hour and would like to have the tires rotated and road force balanced.
So this does have the before and afters of what we need, so that's good. So let's start off with the tire rotation and road force balance service.
Tire rotation, road force balance, perform 4-wheel tire rotation, road force balance, set tire pressures, torque wheels to manufacturer's specs, and reset the DBMS system. So
it does say that the vehicles equipped with wheel locks will be removed by hand, so maybe they were, but like I said, they were a little scratched. No, not a big deal, honestly. They held up, and that's all I can ask for. That was $89.95, and then they charged me an additional $11.69 for disposable / shop supplies. Not sure what that is, but yeah, overall I would give this place a 5-star for this. So in our before, for the Nvh Diagnostic Report, I'm not really sure what this is. It's some system or app or something that they purchased, and I guess it tells you the different vibrations and where they are and all that kind of good stuff. So let me go ahead and show you guys this report here, what it's looking like. Super basic, just, you know, a little spreadsheet action going on here. It's got your order, first, second, and third, so they do it 3 different times, I guess, with the average, amplitude, and whatever. So you got your times detected, and those times detected are going to be each shake and vibration. So you can see that this first time when they did it, there was 671 times that there was vibrations detected at an average amplitude of 0.020, which is pretty high once you guys see the after. So this is the before. And then you have your differentiated, your drive shaft speeds, total speed related vibrations, and engine speed related vibrations. Now these are, like I said, the before and, you know, the basics of the speed related vibration kind of things. We go to the next page, it actually breaks it down from 5 to 9 miles per hour, 10 to 14, and so on. Since our concern was that we had a vibration around 70, they obviously focused on that, and sure enough, when you go ahead and look at this little chart here, try and show you guys as best I can there, the number between 65 and 69, it hit 181 counts with 210 counts spent in the range, or whatever, in the time spent in the range. And then also from 70 to 74 there was 96, and you know, that area just really spiked up. So that means that my my diagnosis that I estimate that I made when I went to them was in fact correct and accurate. So that was really cool, and it's nice to see a little breakdown where they actually tracked this. I think every place should do this, and if this actually is true, you know, this could be completely false. It could be something they just made up. I don't know. But if it is true, and you know, it looks pretty accurate based on what I was feeling and experiencing, so hopefully that's true. So that's the before. They have another breakdown here with the speed-related vibrations, you know, second order drive shaft speeds and third order drive shaft. Overall, this shows that it was bad during those speeds. Now, when we go ahead and flip to the back, we got that first order where it's only 272. So it's a little bit less on the total speed-related vibrations. But when you flip to the actual speed breakdowns, boys, we got better numbers here. So we have 60 to 65 to 69, there was only 27. 70 to 74, 29 versus the 180 and the 90 or whatever it was. So it dramatically went down, which is really cool to be able to actually see that on paper and see that it was actually, you know, hopefully working a little bit better. Same thing with this other page here where the 70 to 74 is a lot lower. So they highlighted everything so I know what I'm looking at. I have no idea what I'm looking at. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I have no idea what I'm looking at. I'm going based off what they told me. So yeah, guys, for $102, I basically fixed that issue. And now I can just move on to the next issue. I will say that one of the issues that I am having though, it's still kind of there with this same situation. But like I said, I think it's my exhaust. So hopefully I can fix that at home. Maybe in this video, maybe in another video. I don't know. We'll see what's gonna happen. But hopefully I can fix that on my own, and then we can go ahead and move on to bigger and better things because we got bigger problems to tackle. They're stacking up.
She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.